It's 2:17 in the morning. You're not supposed to be awake, but your phone lights up anyway. A notification, a declined transaction. You stare at the screen for a second, hoping it's a glitch. It isn't. $743. That's everything. And just like that, you're wide awake. Your brain starts running numbers: rent, emails, credit cards, fuel, groceries, faster than you can control. And you're already subtracting before you even realize you've lost. The first thought that hits you is simple. I just need to earn more. If I made a little more, this would go away. But that's where most people get stuck, because this isn't just about money. It's about pressure. And right now, you're not managing money, you're surviving it. Welcome to level 0. This is where money controls your decisions, not logically, but emotionally. Where every coffee feels like a trade-off, and every plan comes with a calculation you can't ignore. You don't spend freely. You calculate regret before the decision is even made. And over time, that pressure changes how you think, how you act, and how small your world becomes. You stop taking risks. You stop thinking long-term. You start playing defense in a game that rewards offense, and without realizing it, you stay exactly where you are. But here's what nobody explains. Wealth isn't random. It's structured. There's a system behind it, a progression most people never see, and because they never see it, they never move. So let's make it simple. 2 people, same age, same starting point, same income, same environment, different decisions. Path B upgrades their life early. A car on a 72-month loan, a better apartment, slightly better everything. Nothing extreme, nothing reckless, just enough to feel like life has started. That's the trap. Because small upgrades don't feel dangerous, they feel deserved. And 2 years later, that same person is sitting on $4,200 in credit card debt, a $19,000 car loan, and a net worth of negative $22,000. Now look at Path A. Same income, different structure. They delay comfort. Roommates, simpler routines, fewer upgrades, and they automate $200 a month every single month. At first, it feels pointless, like nothing is happening. No visible progress, no immediate reward, just consistency that doesn't feel impressive. But something is happening. 2 years later, they're sitting on $14,000 in assets with 0 debt, and the gap between these 2 people isn't intelligence or luck. It's $36,000 created quietly. And this is where it gets uncomfortable. Because from the outside, nothing looks better. Your life doesn't look upgraded. Your environment hasn't changed. The people around you are moving faster, spending more, enjoying more, and you're not. Not because you can't, but because you chose not to. That creates distance. Not financial, social. You feel out of place, stuck between 2 worlds, too disciplined for one and not successful enough for the other. Most people don't fail here. They quit here. Because being different is harder than being broke. Level 1. Your first $500 invested. It doesn't feel like anything, no excitement, no transformation, just numbers on a screen. But something shifts. For the first time, you're not just consuming money, you're owning something, even if it's small, and that shift changes how you think. Level 2. This is where discipline becomes identity. You invest every month, not when it feels right, not when the market looks safe, but consistently, because you understand something most people ignore. Consistency beats timing every time. The market drops and you feel it, but you don't stop, Because now you understand volatility isn't risk, behavior is. Your system is forming now. Money moves whether you feel motivated or not, and that's where real progress starts to separate.
Level 3, $100,000. Now the game shifts. Your money starts working. A 1% move is $1,000. A strong year can add more than your effort. And for the first time, effort isn't the main driver. Structure is. But this is also where people lose control, because they start earning more and immediately upgrade their life. Better car, better rent, higher expenses. You don't. You upgrade the system instead. Because now you understand something critical. Income doesn't build wealth. Allocation does. Your thinking changes. You stop asking how much you can make and start asking what can break you. Because at this level, mistakes aren't small. They're expensive. Level 4, $1 million. You expect a finish line. Instead, you get math. 4% is $40,000 a year. That's not freedom. That's maintenance. And that's when you realize the game doesn't end. It evolves. At higher levels, wealth gets quiet. No noise, no validation, no big moment. Just systems running in the background, consistently, predictably, without emotion. The people who win don't work for money. They build systems and let those systems run. Day after day, month after month, year after year. And the difference between $743 and millions isn't luck. It isn't talent. It's what you repeat when no one is watching. So start. Small, simple, automated. Let it run. And keep going, even when it feels slow, even when nothing seems to change. Because one day, 2:17 in the morning will feel very different. This is Silent Finance. Subscribe if you're building the system.